Yeah, just get. Let's stay together and get the fighting towards us, because they are gonna fight. Holy shit, dude, this is gonna happen dangerously close to us.
I'm sorry, I didn't look out at you.
It's maybe the most awesome bear fight ever recorded. This is a gift from Mother Nature, man.
As long as it's in fucking focus, mate. Holy shit.
It's one of the most intense bear fights I've ever seen in like 25 years.